Okay, Ria, we're going to do something really fun. We're going to count animals on the farm, okay? Alright, so help me count. Ready? Here we go. So here we have the farmer and his sheep. And you have horses. And there's the big barn. You have some pigs. Some cows. Then you have all these ducks. Alright, so here we go. Pay attention. So how many horses are on the farm? Do you see any horses? Is that a horse? Is that a horse? There they are. There's 1 and 2. Okay. What else are they have? They have sheep. Let's find out how many sheep are in the barn. Oh, there it is. Alright, what's next? A duck. So how many ducks do you see? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducks. And then cows. We have cows. I know we saw cows. No? What's that? Is that a cow? What do these guys make sounds? Oink, oink. Do cows go oink, oink? No. How about these guys? Yeah, those are ducks. They go quack, quack. What are cows? They go moo. Oh, there they are. How many cows are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 cows. All go moo, moo, moo. Is that all of them? There's one more. Oh, there's the pig. How many pigs are there? There's 1 down here. There's 1 in the middle. And there's 1 on the end. How many? That's 1, 2, 3. Oink, oink, oink. Well, thank you for counting the animals on the farm with me, Rio. I'll talk to you later, okay? Mwah! I love you. See you later, alligator.